This October, Walmart's biggest deals are live and waiting. Stock up while supplies last, because these offers won't be around for long. Starting with this Chefman Turbo Fry air fryer was $100, now $60. Save $40. This 8-quart air fryer with a divider allows dual cooking for quick, convenient meals. Fry with little to no oil for healthier options using 4 one-touch presets and adjustable temperature control, 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The sleek, compact stainless steel design is perfect for small spaces, and the non-stick basket ensures easy cleanup. Frigidaire Retro 6-can mini fridge was $29.88, now $22.48. Save $7.40. This compact 4L mini fridge holds up to 6 cans and is perfect for chilling beverages or snacks. It's great for skincare storage too, keeping beauty products cool. Portable with a carrying handle, it features a secure latch, viewing window, and easy-to-clean insulated interior. Powered by both AC and 12V car adapter, it's ideal for home or travel, cooling up to 28 degrees Fahrenheit below ambient temperature. Next, restored premium Vitamix blender was $320, now $260. Save $60. Professionally inspected and cleaned, fully functional in like-new condition. Features a powerful 2.2 HP motor, 10 variable speeds for precise blending, and a pulse function. Easy to clean in under a minute. Comes with a 1-year warranty. Some accessories may be non-original but compatible. Ermsen coffee maker was $100, but now it is $50. Save $50. Features a compact design, 12-cup capacity, and stainless steel finish. Fully programmable with a 24-hour timer, adjustable heater plate, and brew strength selector. Includes a brew pause feature, self-cleaning function, and dishwasher-safe parts for easy maintenance. Ideal for modern kitchens. Also, Sims Life Ice Maker was $130, now $57. Save $73. Produces bullet-shaped ice in just 6 minutes, with up to 26 pounds of ice per day. Features a 1.3-pound ice basket, automatic cleaning, whisper-quiet operation, and an easy-to-monitor transparent window. Includes alerts for water shortages and full ice basket. Portable with a carry handle. Coming up, Farberware FMG 13SS microwave was $140, now $100. Save $40. 1.3 cubic feet capacity, 1100 W power with 10 levels, and LED display. Features 8 one-touch cooking functions, 1 to 3 minute express start, 30-second express cooking, and memory function. Child safety lock and 13-inch turntable for added convenience. Compact and powerful for easy cooking. Next, Rachael Ray 15-piece set was $130, now $79.21. Save a staggering $50.78. Spice up your kitchen with this sizzling Rachael Ray set deal. From saucepans to cake pans, it's got you covered. Stylish exteriors meet non-stick interiors for easy cooking. Oven-safe pieces and shatter-resistant lids boost versatility. At 39% off, these savings are too tasty to pass up. And next, Carotte 14 pieces knife set was $200, now $42.49. Save $157.50. Professional grade knives at a bargain price. German steel blades stay sharp. Comfortable handles. Include chef's knife, bread knife, santoku, utility, paring, and steak knives. Wooden block for storage. Dishwasher safe and rust resistant. 79% discount makes this an unbeatable deal for home cooks and culinary enthusiasts. Coming up, beautiful 6QT slow cooker was $69, now $37.47. Save $31.53. Large 6QT capacity serves up to 7. Features 5 preset functions, programmable timer, and automatic keep warm. Dishwasher safe removable pot and tempered glass lid for easy cleaning. Cool touch handles for portability, and shatter-resistant lid for safety. Ideal for effortless meal prep. Coming, Ermsen portable dishwasher was $500, now $226. Save $334. Compact powerhouse for small spaces. 4 place settings, 5 wash cycles, and extra drying function. Use with faucet or built-in tank. Steam cleaning for baby items. LED display and transparent door. Fits RVs and boats. Perfect for apartments or as second dishwasher. Massive $334 savings makes this a smart buy. Shortly, INSE cordless vacuum cleaner was $320, now $75, save $245 lightweight powerhouse with 20 kilopascal suction. 40-minute battery life. 5-stage filtration captures 99.99% of particles. 6-in-1 design with LED lights and flexible brush for thorough cleaning. Quiet at 60 dB. Wall-mounted storage. Great for carpets, hardwood, and pet hair. Washable filter. Incredible $245 discount. Right now, Onsen Robot Vacuum was $360, now $90, save $270. It is 2-in-1 vacuum and mop robot. 1400 PA suction power. 120-minute runtime. Features spot cleaning, anti-drop sensors, and auto-charging. Ideal for hands-free floor maintenance. 3-year warranty included. Massive 75% discount makes this smart home helper a no-brainer for busy households. Then, Hoover's Smart Wash Carpet Washer was $300, now $194, save $106, is pet-friendly carpet cleaner with automatic wash/dry sensing. Pre-treat wand for tough stains. Antimicrobial brushes fight odors. Easy clean design with removable parts. Dry-only mode for quicker floor recovery. Perfect for pet owners seeking deep cleaning without hassle. Solid $106 savings on this home essential. Next, Frigidaire 32-inch French door refrigerator was $1,364, now $1,143, saving $221. It is a compact yet spacious 31.5-inch fridge with French doors. Crisp seal crispers keep produce fresh longer. Gallon door storage and edge-to-edge shelves maximize space. 3-tier freezer with even temp reduces freezer burn. Perfect for smaller kitchens or as a secondary fridge. $221 off makes this a cool deal. Subsequently, Edge's desk chair was $91, now $47, saving $44. This ergonomic office chair with high-density sponge seat and breathable mesh. Adjustable height, tilt, and 360 degrees swivel. Supports up to 250 pounds. Smooth rolling casters for various surfaces. Easy 15-minute assembly. Versatile for home, office, or gaming. The half-price deal makes this comfortable seat a smart buy. Hereafter, Vanto Queen mattress was $320, now $209.89, save $110. This 12-inch hybrid mattress combining pocket springs and cooling gel memory foam. Reduces joint pain and partner disturbance. Skin-friendly, durable fabric. Open cell design for temperature regulation. CertiPUR-US certified. 101% quality assurance with responsive customer service. Significant savings on this sleep-enhancing queen mattress. Thereafter, King Rack ironing board was $120, now $51.29, save $68.70. This ironing board features 7 adjustable height levels, 25.98 inch to 35.82. It includes 2 fireproof covers, an iron rest board, and a sturdy non-slip design for added safety. Durable with a foldable structure for easy storage, it's a reliable and space-saving ironing solution. Right up, Melalenia 5 luggage sets was $400, now $120, save $280. And this 5-piece set includes 20-inch, 24, and 28 suitcases, a 14 cosmetics case, and a 7 carry-on handbag. Made from durable, lightweight polypropylene with 360 degrees silent spinner wheels, TSA locks, and YKK zippers. The set is ideal for family trips, offering expandable capacity and smooth handling. Now, Blackstone tabletop griddle was $247, now $197, save $50. This electric 22-inch tabletop griddle offers 312 SQ in cooking space with 2 independently controlled burners. Features a non-stick ceramic titanium surface, glass hood for heat trapping, and a rear grease management system. Includes a cart with folding shelf, perfect for indoor or outdoor use. 1600W power. Easy cleanup. After, Sun-Joe electric leaf blower was $26, now $19.88. Save $6. It's perfect for sweeping patios, driveways, and decks. Equipped with a powerful 6-amp motor, delivering 155 miles per hour airspeed and 260 CFM airflow. Lightweight, 3.9 pounds, easy one-handed operation, and compact for convenient storage. Ideal for light snow clearing as well. Next, Costway double stroller was $200, now $130. Save $69. This durable double-seat stroller is designed for 2 babies. Features adjustable push handles, footrests, 5-point safety belts, shockproof wheels, and breathable fabric. Suitable for babies 0 to 36 months, it folds easily for storage and has a sunshade to protect from strong sunlight. Next, Apple Watch Series 9 was $400, now $300. Save $100. Stay connected, active, and healthy with advanced features like double tap, health tracking, and precision finding for iPhone. Includes a brighter display, faster Siri, and durable, water-resistant design. Comes with advanced safety tools like fall detection, crash detection, and emergency SOS. Finally, Waterpik Oral Irrigator was $70, now $50. Save $20. Clinically proven to remove up to 99.9% of plaque and improve gum health. Features 10 pressure settings, a 22-ounce reservoir, and 6 unique tips for different dental needs. ADA approved and recommended by dentists. Perfect for deep cleaning between teeth and below the gum line. Comes with a 3-year warranty.
If you enjoy this video, please like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.